In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a new word in Grammarly. And if you have technical terms or custom words you use all the time, I'll also show you the fastest way to add them to your dictionary so Grammarly stops flagging them as mistakes. This is a super useful trick for writers, students, business users, and anyone who works with brand names, product names, or industry-specific vocabulary. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. This is the Grammarly dashboard, and it's where you can manage your account settings and customize your writing preferences. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Account tab. This is where Grammarly keeps your personal account and writing configuration options. After that, select Writing. This section controls how Grammarly works while you're writing, including your dictionary and other language settings. Now find and click on your dictionary. This is the place where you can add custom words that Grammarly should recognize as correct. If you have a list of technical terms, names, or specialized phrases, this is exactly where you want to put them. Next, click into the text field and type the word you want to add. Make sure you spell it exactly the way you want Grammarly to recognize it. After typing the word, click Assign or Add, depending on what your Grammarly layout shows. Once you do that, the word will be saved to your dictionary and Grammarly should stop marking it as an error in your writing. If you need to add more words, just repeat the same process one by one until your custom dictionary is complete. This is especially helpful if you're working on a long project or writing content with a lot of repeating technical terms. A quick tip here, if you're adding brand names, unique, spellings, or software terms, double check each one before saving so your dictionary stays clean and accurate. That way, you won't have to keep ignoring the same words every time you write. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a new word in Grammarly and customize your dictionary for smoother writing. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.